Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best chocolate chip semisweet is probably one of the most versatile and beloved ingredients in any baker's pantry, transforming ordinary cookies into chewy delights, adding a rich depth to brownies, and even elevating simple muffins into decadent treats, making it an essential component for both novice and experienced home bakers looking to create crowd-pleasing desserts with minimal effort and maximum deliciousness. Number 5. Callebaut Belgian Dark Couverture Chocolate Semisweet Callets. Experience the rich, authentic taste of Belgian dark chocolate. Made with 54.5% cacao for a perfectly balanced flavor. These convenient callets are designed for easy melting and smooth incorporation into your recipes. Achieve professional results with ease. Perfect for a wide range of applications, from ganaches and mousses to cookies and pastries. Elevate your baking creations. This generous 5.5 pounds package ensures you have plenty of high-quality chocolate for all your culinary projects. Ideal for both home bakers and professionals. Trusted by chefs and chocolatiers worldwide, this Couverture chocolate delivers exceptional quality and taste. Discover the Callebaut difference. What we like. Experience the rich, authentic taste of Belgium with these premium Couverture Callets. Their superior quality ensures a smooth melt, perfect for professional bakers and serious home cooks. If you're aiming for sophisticated desserts and a truly luxurious chocolate flavor, these are the ones to choose. What people say. These chips melt beautifully and are perfect for baking. Great semi-sweet flavor, not too bitter and not too sweet. The chips hold their shape well when baked, providing a nice texture. Number 4. Ghirardelli Semi-Sweet Baking Chips. Elevate your baking with Ghirardelli's semi-sweet baking chips. Experience the rich, classic chocolate flavor that makes every treat unforgettable. Crafted with the finest ingredients, these chips deliver a smooth melt and intense chocolate taste. They are perfect for cookies, brownies, and more. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting, these versatile chips will help you create delicious desserts. Their semi-sweet profile is a crowd pleaser. Taste the difference that quality makes. Our commitment to excellence ensures a superior chocolate experience in every bite. Add a touch of indulgence to your favorite recipes with these easy-to-use baking chips. They are sure to become a staple in your pantry. What we like. Indulge in the classic, rich flavor that has made this brand a favorite for baking. These chips melt beautifully, ensuring consistent results in all your recipes. If you're looking for reliable, delicious chocolate chips for everyday baking and crowd-pleasing treats, these are an excellent choice. What people say. These chocolate chips are perfect for baking, melting smoothly and holding their shape well in cookies. The semi-sweet flavor is balanced, not too bitter and not too sweet, making them versatile for various recipes. I appreciate the consistent size of the chips, which ensures even baking and a uniform appearance in finished products. Number 3. Enjoy Life Bulk Semi-Sweet Mini Chocolate Chips, 5 pounds. Indulge in the rich, semi-sweet taste of these mini chocolate chips. They are perfect for all your baking needs, offering a delicious treat that everyone can enjoy. Crafted with care, these chocolate chips are completely vegan and dairy-free. You can bake with confidence, knowing they cater to various dietary preferences. Enjoy peace of mind with these allergy-friendly chips, free from gluten, nuts, soy, and other common allergens. They are a safe and delightful addition to any recipe. Certified kosher and thoughtfully made to be allergy-friendly, these chips meet high standards for quality and inclusivity. They are a versatile ingredient for all your culinary creations. This generous 5-pound bag ensures you have plenty of these wonderful mini chocolate chips for all your baking adventures. Stock up and never run out of your favorite ingredient. Experience the perfect melt and flavor in every bite. These mini chips are ideal for cookies, brownies, and any dessert that calls for a touch of chocolatey bliss. What we like. Cater to everyone with these allergy-friendly mini chips, free from common allergens like dairy, gluten, and nuts. Their mini size makes them perfect for even distribution in cookies and muffins. If you need to accommodate dietary restrictions or are looking for a versatile, worry-free chocolate chip, this is your go-to option. What people say. These chocolate chips are perfect for baking. They melt beautifully and give a rich chocolate flavor to cookies and cakes. I love the quality of these semi-sweet chocolate chips. They hold their shape well when baked, resulting in distinct chocolate pockets in my muffins. The size of these chips is just right for most recipes. They distribute evenly throughout the batter, ensuring a consistent chocolate taste in every bite. Number 2. Amazon Grocery Semisweet Chocolate Chips. Elevate your baking with our premium semi-sweet chocolate chips. Perfect for cookies, brownies, and more, they deliver a rich, satisfying chocolate flavor. Indulge in the deep, classic taste of semi-sweet chocolate. These chips are crafted to melt beautifully, ensuring a delightful texture in every bite. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting, these versatile chips are a must-have. They are ideal for adding that special touch to your favorite recipes. Made with high-quality ingredients, you can rely on these chocolate chips for consistent results. Enjoy the convenience and superior taste they bring to your kitchen. This convenient 12-ounce bag provides ample chocolate chips for all your baking projects. It's the perfect size to keep stocked for when inspiration strikes. What we like? Get the classic semi-sweet chocolate flavor you love at a fantastic price. These chips are perfect for all your baking needs, from cookies to brownies. If you're a budget-conscious baker or just need a dependable staple for frequent use, these offer great value and convenience. What people say. These chocolate chips are perfect for baking, melting smoothly and evenly. The semi-sweet flavor is well balanced, not too bitter and not too sweet, making them versatile for various recipes. I appreciate the consistent size of the chips, which ensures uniform melting and baking results. Number 1. Enjoy life Ricemilk baking morsels. Discover the joy of baking without dairy. Our rich, creamy morsels are perfect for all your sweet creations. Crafted with the goodness of real rice milk, these morsels offer a smooth texture and delightful taste. They melt beautifully into your favorite recipes. Enjoy peace of mind with every bite. These morsels are free from common allergens, making them a safe and delicious choice for everyone. Elevate your baking game. Whether you're making cookies, brownies, or muffins, these morsels add a touch of sweetness and richness. This convenient 9-ounce bag ensures you have enough to share with family and friends. Spread the sweetness and enjoy guilt-free indulgence. What we like? Discover a delightful dairy-free option with a unique rice milk sweetness. These morsels offer a distinct flavor profile that's perfect for vegan baking or those seeking a different kind of chocolatey goodness. If you're exploring dairy-free alternatives or enjoy a subtly sweet, creamy chocolate taste, these morsels are a wonderful discovery. What people say. These chips melt beautifully and are perfect for baking cookies. Great semi-sweet chocolate flavor that isn't too overpowering. The chips hold their shape well when baked, providing a nice texture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.